Hey y'all, it's Wednesday, April 29th, day 5,335 of quarantine and week 4 of digital learning. And today we're going to talk about APSA attack review and how you can still do it. I know you can. All right. So we learned this in the 300 years ago when we were last together. I just want to take a moment to review. Remember, so you're going to take the essay prompt and T123 that jam. What does that mean? To refresh your memory, T equals theme, 1, 2, and 3 correspond to body paragraphs, and the conclusion for your essay is always the effect on the reader of the work. So the effect of the work on the reader, rather, but you get what I'm saying. There's fine print, there always is. Remember, you may not need 3 body paragraphs, but you should try. If it makes sense to keep 2, that's fine, but they better be robust. For the love of all that is holy, please don't forget the conclusion. Don't give up at the end. You can do it. It's the easiest part. You just talk about how you felt as a reader about the work and how it relates back to the theme. That's generally what they're asking for. Here's an example of a thesis statement, because again, while not necessarily printed in the fine print, if you don't have a thesis statement, you don't get a score. All right, Harry Potter has 2 distinct places, the Muggle world and the magical world. These places contrast by having different sets of rules in physics and define the major theme that knowledge is power. Note here that not only do I say that there is a theme, but I give you what that theme is. The theme is that knowledge is power. Note that it is a phrase. It is not just a single word. So keep all that in mind. So just to talk about that first paragraph, where you're going to house that all-important thesis, you're going to do a general specific thesis paragraph. So you're going to make a general statement about the topic. You're going to link that topic to big ideas in the prompt, hint, 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 theme. And then you're going to craft a thesis that is defensible, aka tells us what a theme is and tells us why it's important. All right. So today, the question that we're going to use is a number 3 question. That means it's an open-ended, you get to pick the novel type question. I am going to let you pick your own novel. However, I have picked this question specifically because it matches up with Hamlet. So, in a novel by William Styrington, a father tells his son that life is a search for justice. Choose a character from a novel or play who responds in some significant way to justice or injustice, then write a well-developed essay in which you analyze the character's understanding of justice, the degree to which the character's search for justice is successful, and the significance of this search for the work as a whole. Seems like they lay out 3 things there. That's the hint I'm going to give you. So, I'm not going to go live today. I'm just going to post this video on the question. However, I will be live on Friday morning at 9 a.m. Come and visit me, and good luck. If you need anything, you can text me. All right. Have a good one. Bye.